The diagnostic test which can be used for diagnosing different type of disorders in the nervous system include EEG, electroencephalogram. This is the technique which is used to detect different type of abnormalities in the function of the brain. The neurons which are present in the cerebral cortex, they are responsible to generate different type of electrical activity, and that can be recorded by electrodes. When they are attached to precise locations on the head, on the scalp, it produces electroencephalogram. An EEG pattern is commonly called brain waves. It is an effective test, and this test is used to show the changes in the brain activity that is helpful in diagnosing brain conditions. For example, epilepsy and seizure disorders. Seizures mean jhatke lagna. It is a test that detects electrical activity in your brain using small metal discs which are known as electrodes, and it is used to detect different type of brain problem. The brain waves are classified into alpha, beta, theta, and delta waves. During wakefulness, the alpha and beta wave activities are experienced in human, whereas alpha waves are made up of medium. The alpha waves, they consist of medium frequency, and beta waves, they show irregular low amplitude waves found during high alert and attentive state. The theta waves, they are present in adults with a drowsy brain, the brain which is not active, that is not fully functional. This is a transition state between sleep and wakefulness. Then comes the delta waves. These are of high altitude and they occur in deep sleep, in infancy, and in patients with severe brain disorders. Distinct type of EEG patterns can be detected in patients with specific brain disorders such as epilepsy. These are the electrodes which can detect the waves that are produced by the neurons in the cerebral cortex, and this pattern is known as EEG reading. It consists of four types of waves. It consists of different types of waves: alpha waves, beta waves, theta waves, and the gamma waves. The next type of the technique that is used to diagnose disorder is known as computer tomography, and commonly it is known as CT scan. It is an X-ray procedure in which X-ray images, they combine with the help of the computer and they generate cross-sectioning views, and 3D images are obtained. Computerized tomography is most commonly known by its abbreviated name CT scan or CAT scan. It is used to define normal or abnormal structures in body and assist in procedures by helping to accurately guide the placement of instruments or treatments. Tomograph and tomogram. The machine consists of a large donut-shaped structure or scanner that is known as tomograph, and it takes X-ray images at many different angles around the body. These images are processed by a computer and it produces cross-sectional pictures of the body. In each of these pictures, body is seen as an X-ray slice which is recorded on a film, and that image is known as tomograph. This is the machine that is used for CT scan. This is the scanner, which is donut-shaped structure, which actually takes the which is responsible to generate X-ray waves, and it is responsible to take images. And for getting results or imaging, we use computer. The next one is the magnetic resonance imaging, which is also known as MRI scan. It is a radiology technique that uses magnetism, radio waves, and a computer to produce images of body structure. It is also helpful in diagnosing different type of problems in the spinal cord and different disorders in the nerves. So this MRI scanner, it is a tube that is surrounded by a giant circular magnet. Patient is placed on a movable bed that is inserted into the magnet. The patient is exposed to strong magnetic field and beamform radio waves. The receiver information is processed by a computer and image is produced. Image and resolution produced by MRI is quite detailed and can be used to detect different tiny changes of structures within the body. This type of machine is used for MRI, that is magnetic resonance imaging. Here the source or the technology that is uses magnetism and radio waves because they are high energy waves, and in CAT scan or in CT scan, X-rays are used to see the internal structure and to see the cross-sectional views of the brain.